and welcome back to my first ever Moto vlog. Right now, I'm just kind of riding around. Obviously, I don't really have much to talk about because nothing's happening, but I do have one thing. That's about my dirt bike. So I might be getting it Saturday or next week, but I don't want to be a douchebag and rush my dad. Like, he works hard enough, and you know, it's just not kind of a dick move. But anyways, I kind of made this makeshift mount for my helmet. It's by my chin, and it works really good for my phone. GoPros are way too expensive, but I mean, whatever, this works for me for now, at least. And you can hear my voice okay, so, yeah. Now, it's a little short when I'm riding, because it's on my chin level, or whatever. I don't really have a problem with it. Today, Vlog is coming over, or Dominic, you probably know him. And we're probably going to do another Moto vlog today. Hopefully it brightens up a little bit. Or actually, it'd be kind of nice to, maybe ride in the mud if we ever get the opportunity at his grandparents' house. Because at his grandparents', there's like trails and stuff there. Well, small ones, but it's still really fun. Yeah, pretty cool. Hopefully we'll be able to do something similar to that today. Alright, well, I'm probably going to end this here. I'll show you one more wheelie. One more good one at least. Okay, I'm going to make it. Okay, there's that thing. Alright, well, yeah, I'm just gonna end this motor vlog here. It's kind of short, I guess. I don't know. But hope you guys enjoy it, and I will probably see you guys again later today with Vlogs. So I'll see you guys later.